In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import GitHub project in Lovable. First, open your browser and head over to lovable.dev, then sign in to your account. Make sure you know which GitHub repository you want to bring in and that you have access to it. If the repo belongs to an organization, you may need the right permissions to connect it. From your Lovable workspace, look for the Settings option. Open Settings to manage your workspace integrations. Inside Settings, find the GitHub section. This is where you connect Lovable to your GitHub account. Click to connect and follow the prompts to authorize access. You can choose to grant access to all repositories or only selected ones. If you're unsure, selecting only the repos you need is a good practice for tighter control. If you've already connected GitHub in the past, just take a moment to verify the status here so you know everything is linked correctly. Once that connection looks good, head back to your Lovable dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your existing Lovable projects, and after GitHub is connected, eligible repositories from your GitHub account will appear as options to work with. If you don't immediately see the repo you expect, try refreshing the page, check any organization filters, and confirm the repository is included in the access you granted during the GitHub authorization. Private repos are supported, but only if you allowed Lovable to access them. Next, pick the project you want to work with and open it. Inside that project, go to its settings. Each project has its own configuration, separate from the workspace, which is helpful if you manage multiple repos or environments. Within the project's settings, open the GitHub section. Here you can confirm the specific repository that's linked to this project. You should see details like the repository name and, in many cases, the default branch. This is your final check that the import and connection are set up correctly. If anything looks off, verify that your workspace GitHub connection is active and that the repository is included in the permissions you granted. And that's it. You've connected GitHub at the workspace level, returned to your dashboard to view available projects, selected the one you want, and confirmed the GitHub link inside the project settings. You're now ready to start building, syncing changes, and keeping your code and project in step. Congratulations and happy building!